Hi folks, Cameron here for another episode of Kingspirit Travels Cameron's Pantry. We have for you today this. Whoops, wrong way. It's called Mighty Spark. Eat well, give back. It's a chicken snack stick. Honey and jalapeno flavored. Only 60 calories per stick, and there's the stick. It's about 6 inches from here to here. It's chicken raised with no antibiotics ever, no hormones added, gluten-free. Contains chicken, granulated honey, seasoning with brown sugar, sea salt, spices, garlic, and onion powder, jalapeno pepper, celery powder, and in a colored beef collagen casing. So, it's also soy-free. How does this measure up? Well, as it says here, that's peel, eat, repeat. There we are. No nitrates or no nitrites are added. And you can learn more at mightysparkfood.com. Pretty standard for a beef stick. Jalapeno hasn't kicked in yet. It's a mild jalapeno. Not bad. Made in the United States. Company donates meals, and you can learn more, as I said, mightysparkfoods.com. Go there. I'll put more information in the description link. Not bad. I wish it had a little bit more kick to it, though. But you can taste the honey. Not bad. Recommend. Cameron Farmer for Cameron's Pantry. Until next time.